All right, what up, fellas? This is going to be an amazing live. This is going to be an amazing session. We're nothing but positive, great energy into this market, dude. We have been absolutely destroying it, right? Like the market has been giving us phenomenal opportunity, and that's exactly what we're going to bring to the table today. And I always like to start these sessions off just by reminding myself what it is I'm actually looking for, right? It's very important for me to refer to the facts. What is working? Okay. What is working and how can we implement those principles and those strategies into our trading today? All right. So let's check out daily recap. I got some really good trades I just want to go over. I mean, nothing crazy. You can see here we cleared 145% on this trade. Once again, what worked? All right. Like, what can we take from this? Number one, we're trading off important levels. All right. Previous day high. And then we're trading off end of day right here. Right. We got EOD. We got previous day high. We got a false break below it. And then we get our 3-step approach above it. Okay. So this right here becomes a bunch of trapped sellers. Okay. So that is exactly what happens. Bunch of liquidity, bunch of sellers losing money here. Price rallies up. We get that beautiful red bar right there that gets disrespected. Bam, long entry. Okay, so once again, what works? Trading off key levels, identifying RBIs and GBIs on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, dropping down to the 2-minute and playing that retest. So let me give a shout out to everybody in the Discord here so that they know that we're live. And then we'll break into a pre-market plan. All right, member chat. Where are we at? There we go. At everyone are live. Bam. All right, so first thing I want to go over here is Tesla. Okay, you guys know how much I love trading Tesla on Fridays because it is a phenomenal cash register. Okay, 0-day options. I mean, if you guys go back to those trades that I was just going over in daily recap, you'll see here 145% ROI. Yesterday's trade, 204% ROI. Once again, trading options has a really good risk reward ratio if you know what you're doing correctly. Okay. A lot of people will, give me backlash, go, dude, you're trading 0-day options an hour before the market closes. That's very risky, right? Well, yeah, it is risky if you don't know how to do it, right? So once again, trading 0-day gives you the opportunity to buy very low and sell very high. And that's what we did. We bought contracts for $270 and we sold them for over $800. Okay. We went with the 6,830 puts on SBX here, out of the money by $20. And then in the next 30 minutes, we sell off into the money. Okay. So, but you can't just do that. You got to use your principles and your moving averages in your strategy to identify that opportunity. Okay. So that is why we love trading Tesla, especially on Fridays, right? We got them 0-day options. So all what we need to do is identify who's taking control of the market. So how do we do that? Market structure. All right, 1 hour time frame. Very simple. Today I'm watching 44682. Okay, you guys will see this is an important level of structure on a larger time frame. All right, sellers took it here, buyers took it here, sellers took it here. Now we've come back to it. So now what are we doing? We're going to identify who's going to control this level. All right. If buyers control this level, I'm super bullish and I'm looking to target 450 and then 455. Okay. Give me 1 second. And you guys know the theme over here, right? It's simplicity, right? Simplicity is key. The more simple I can keep things, the easier it is for me to repeat them. So I literally look at this chart and I go, all right, market structure is going to tell me who's in control. And then I'm going to drop down and use my moving averages. Okay. So that's Tesla. Obviously, if sellers take that level at 446, I'm looking to target end of day right here for the gap fill. And then selling pressure below end of day is going to prove to be very bearish. So then we're going to look to target these guys down here. Okay. So once again, everything kind of relies here on 44682. All right. Now let's whip out SPY. All right. So once again, 1 hour time frame. What is it I'm looking at? Okay. So let me just make this a little bigger. We'll go like that. We'll go like that. All right. So pre-market plan, one of our critical levels here is this guy. Hold up. So this is 68485. Okay. You can see here we battled with it yesterday. All right. And now we've come into it this morning in pre-market, and now we're battling with it. Okay. 68485 is super important. Okay. Buyers held it here. Sellers held it here. Now, what I really like to see is that buyers took this level as well. All right. So we had some bearish structure right here. Buyers took it back. So now we're coming into 68485. We were above PDH. So once again, guys, our key levels right here on SPY is going to be these guys right here. 68485. Bullish above, bearish below. Okay. And then once again, I'm going to be using my moving averages, my RBIs, my GBIs, my 2-minute 20s to actually identify the trading opportunity itself. All right. So those are the levels I'm looking to trade right there on SPY. Beautiful. Sellers take it. We target downside pit numbers. Okay. Buyers take it. We're targeting 686, and then we're targeting 68876. We actually got another target right here. Bam. Once again, what works? What works? Todd, you took that same trade? Bro, it's like, I always say this too to everybody in my mentorship. I go, you know what? Are you going to get in your car tomorrow and drive on the wrong side of the road? No, you're not. Why not? Because it doesn't make sense, right? It doesn't actually serve you. This market has been extremely choppy. Okay. If you look at the last couple of days worth of price action, there's been these really large moves in pre-market, and then followed by a bunch of just wacky, unfruitful PA. Like, look at yesterday's price action. This was garbage. Yesterday's price action was absolutely trash. I was able to capitalize on a couple really good trades, but I owe it all to my my patience. And it's not even like necessarily patience. It's that once you know how, like, what you're looking for, you don't waste your time or your money or your energy on anything else. Like, the longer I trade, the more I realize, like, I see where I used to slip up and lose all my money. Okay. And it was choppy days, right? Because I would just be trying to get paid, trying to get the win, rushing for the dopamine, right? And then I'd get caught in a nasty, choppy market and just completely obliterate all my capital. All right. That is wicked, right? Like, that is not how we get profitable. That is not how we actually are supposed to manage capital, right? Like, when the market is looking like this, there's nothing here for me. I was able to grab a really good short play, and it was because of this downward trend, right? It was right here when we came up to this trend line. Obviously, I was looking for buyers because right here, it looked bullish. But I was like, I'm not going to assume that buyers are going to take it. On the contrary, I'm going to wait and see, because if sellers show up, I know there's going to be a lot of trap buyers there, and I'm going to go short. And that's exactly what we did. It was a phenomenal play right there, right? We took a short play. So all in all, yesterday ended up being a really good trade, and it was because we were able to remain extremely patient and disciplined. All right, so as we come into the market here, I'm noticing we do have a GBI. All right, we got a green bar that was disrespected in pre-market. It's a really large area, but this is definitely an important zone. Okay, this is step number one, guys. Okay, step number one is identify your RBIs and your GBIs. Okay. This right here is going to play a mega role in today's price action. All right. It's basically going to be a battle between 68485 and this zone. So let's see what we get. What we got? 3 minutes. I'm going to go hit the head. Guys, let's have a phenomenal day. We know exactly what to look for. Okay. We know how to execute it. It's going to be a good day. I love you, baby. Right. Let's get this money. Let there be lights. All right, let's go. Let's get this money. Is that too bright? That giving a nah, that's all right. That's okay. We'll be all right. Nah, I don't like it. I don't like it, Key. Bro, it has been a phenomenal week. I'm just so thankful. I'm so thankful. Why is that? I'm so thankful, man. God is so good to me. It's all the time. Like I'm so thankful, and it's super important to I always remind myself what we focus on, we easily bring into fruition, right? So today, once again, I know the strategy works exceptionally well. I know how to trade it. All right, and the market, when given the correct opportunities, is a money-making machine. So once again, you follow your principles, you leave the rest up to God, right? My goal is to identify solid opportunity and execute it every single day. So let's get this money. Let's make this happen. Let's do it. All right. So Tesla, let me make sure I got. Okay. Let's see. Got our little Top Step account here. We'll keep this off to the side. All right, let's see here. We could get rid of this guy. This guy. Let's get this some money. All right, so off the rip. Notice here, guys, we're coming into 68485, right? Very important level here. Let's go. Look at Tesla. Off the rip. Ripping into 66482. Very nice push. You guys know this is how Tesla, you know what I love right here on Tesla? Open print is lining right up with our key level. So as a matter of fact, I'm just going to touch that up. We got 66476. So let's see what happens here on Tesla. SPY, we're coming right there into 68485. Notice the 1 hour trend, guys. Dude, guys, I'm telling you right now, my favorite indicator is the 1 hour trend. It's a game changer. Like when I know the 1 hour trend is healthy, money is about to be made. Money is about to be made. There was multiple days this week where just trading that 1 hour trend, it just proved to be exceptionally fruitful. Like just capitalizing on trends and just letting the market just continuously over and over pay you. And it's like, it almost feels like you're doing something wrong, but yet it feels so right. And in reality, what you're doing is just following your skill set, right? Like when you can identify healthy trends and capitalize on it, that is literally an equation that pays a lot of money. So let's see here. Let me get situated. All right, sellers shooting into the market here. Cool. Let's see what NASDAQ is giving us. Oh, I didn't chart this. Uh-oh. All right, so NASDAQ is shooting down below previous day high, right? Let me just get all these correct. That's a bear target. This right here is previous day open print right here. Okay. Look at that selling there on NASDAQ. NASDAQ. It's the NASDAQ. Coming into previous day high, though. Let's see what happens. I'm interested. Let's see what that 1 hour looks like real quick on NASDAQ. All right, so previous day high is very important. We got an upside target right here. And once again, guys, what am I doing? I'm literally just grabbing pit numbers, right? So let me just go here. I'll go target. That is our target, upside target. Bam. Buyers hold PDH. That's what we're targeting, okay? Easy money. All right, now come over here. What's SPY doing? What is SPY doing? Let's get it. Let's see here. Got my chart. Bam. SPY selling off. Okay, I like this. Once again, too, guys, look at just to reinforce here. Right here, we have an area of value, okay, which we retested in pre-market. So now we're getting selling. This makes complete and utter sense, okay? Once again, this is just how the strategy works. It doesn't do it. This is just how the market actually inherently moves, okay? All right. Halloween session. Let's go. SPX. Let's see what SPX and Tesla are telling me. Those are my money makers right there. Yo, look at SPX, guys. You can't make this up. Look at this. So this morning on SPX, we opened right at previous day high, and now we're getting a lot of selling coming into the market, okay? Look at that. Look at that. So we got upside target right there at 68.90. I guess you could say this is a bear target, right? Previous day low. Bear target. Let's see here. Bam. Tesla with the wild fake out. Look at that on Tesla. I love it, man. I love it. Once you know what to look for, too. Oh, guys, check this out. Hold on. All right, so right now we are coming into previous day open print, okay? So right here I put pre-open print. Once again, we follow pin numbers. Why? Because the volume, baby. This is where large money shows us their hand. Okay, so let's watch that right there. We got previous day open print. First 5 minutes into the market. Let's check news. News for today. We got the Chicago Business Barometer at 9:45. 9:45. Tesla getting a nice bounce right here on Tesla off the 2-minute 20. Once again, I'm not getting in that, but I just love to see it. I love it. Love to see it. We're in straight flow state right now. I tell you what, right here, guys, on Tesla, we are above 44676. So I'm bullish on Tesla until otherwise. Okay, we find acceptance above this level. 451 is very highly probable. All right, NASDAQ, we are cutting through PDH right now on NASDAQ, cutting through it. Do I want to short this? So we actually do have a GBI there on NASDAQ. See what that 2-minute looks like. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. I don't want to short it yet, but selling pressure does make sense. Okay. And always, I remind myself, if I'm far away from that 2-minute 20, there's no play for me. There ain't no entry for me far away from that 2-minute 20. It really don't make sense to me. Look at Tesla ripping. Look at that. Right off 2-minute dub. All right, SPY, SPX, ES coming into previous day open print. And any futures traders, don't worry. The SPY chart, SPX chart. If I'm longing SPX, you should probably be longing ES, right? Like they're pretty much the same. I tell you what, my friend. If sellers cook through pre-open print right here, this could get a little ugly. I'm not going to assume anything, but that is definitely a possibility. You know what else I like? Look where the 1 hour time frame is. It's right at open print. Okay. Let me see something here. 1 hour time frames at open print. Let's see what that 1 hour. Ooh. This looks a little bearish. Area value S&P 825. Let me see what you're talking about, Chris. Let me see. 8. Yeah. Oh, hold up. Oh, you're talking about that guy right there. Absolutely. Absolutely. Wait. Yeah. 7, 8. Yeah. Absolutely. So right now, though, the way I'm looking at SPY is we got the 1 hour time frame. We're below PDH. We're below, what is this? 68485. 68485. We're below that. This is pretty bearish right now. Is a little bit bearish. What you talking about, Chris? Hold on. You said 8. What is this? Hold on. 8:25. I don't know if that's my time or your time. All right, let's see here. Sellers coming into the market. Tesla with the push. Super push, super push. You know what else I really like doing? I like pulling up my daily time frame and going, all right, what are we looking at here? Right now on Tesla, we're coming into previous day open print. Bam. We got that trend right there too. Patient, baby. Staying patient. Oh, I know what you're talking about, Chris. You're talking about this candle right here. Yeah, it's a doji, but it's not green. So I wouldn't start identifying those as areas of value. But what you can look at is this one right here, right? Look at this one earlier here in pre-market. All right, let me watch here, guys, real quick. We got a GBI right here. This is exactly what we were talking about for a potential short play on SPX. If we get a GBI right here, which we just got, okay? That is a GBI. Bam. We're coming into a key level. So now I want to use my moving averages to help guide me here. All right, so I'm going to pull up SPY. Let me see here what we get. Let me whip out that 2-minute time frame. All right, we're getting very strong selling here. Coming into previous day open print. I'm not quite ready to enter into that short just yet. Only because we're fighting. Hold on, let me just get all my stuff ready here. We got ES here. Okay. Let me just go here. Now we're gonna go here, here. Bam. Okay, that is a. All right, so now we got our zone. Okay, we are coming into a key level, but I'm not necessarily just going to assume that sellers are going to take it. I want to see a better entry, right? If I enter right here, I'm super vulnerable. I'm not saying you can't enter right there. I just don't like that entry. It's not to each his own. It probably may sell off. But right now, when I look at this chart, I'm going, okay, now I have a better understanding of who's actually in control of the market. So we're getting a very nice push. We got a GBI. This is nice. Tesla is still pushing up. Look at SPX. That looks so bearish. That looks beautiful. I'm probably just going to sell right off. Selling pressure is very high. Look at it go. Look at it go. That's the traditional HPT cross right there. Green bar, ignored, boom. I would not fault you for taking that. That is beautiful. I just don't like trading far away from the 20. That's just what works for me. But it could still be beneficial, right? Look at the volume that came in too. We got a lot of volume that just came into the market right there as well. Bursting through that critical level. So now I'm watching for some retest up in this level. Very bearish. Look at that. Very strong push right there. It's almost selling off too quick. Look at it go. Boom. That thing just sunk. Shout out to anybody that took that. We're coming into our first key level here on SPX and on SPY. Let's see here. All right, coming into 68288. $68288. It's our first downside target. Let's see if we can get some acceptance. 684. Okay. And this is like this is where you just gotta trust in the overall process. I love you, baby. You just gotta trust in like, hey, you know what? Yeah, we're getting a lot of selling. Yeah, I could FOMO into this and probably make some money, but that I don't like making money that way, right? Like I mean, we say it every session. It's about that repeatability. Okay, we do have a GBI right there. 1 hour time frames, right there at it. So if this trend's healthy, it'll come back to it. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. What's Tesla doing? Tesla coming right into 4. Look at that. Boom. I don't know why, but I'm just, let me see here on Tesla. It's a key level from yesterday right here on SPY and SPX. Ready? Here it comes. Look at the level. Look at how it gets respected. All right, ready? Where's the 9? The 9's all the way up here. Okay? You got to be you got to be aware of where your moving averages are at. All right, let's see what that retest looks like though. I don't like how far away that 2-minute 20 is. It wouldn't surprise me if we get a reversal right here. But once again, I'm not going to assume that. I'm more focused on what this retest looks like. Five-minute trend doesn't look too bad. All right, let me see. These sellers are really strong. Really strong sellers right here. Look at it. Boom. This thing's straight up ripping. Yo, look at Tesla. Look at Tesla. Let's go. All right, let's see what happens here at 44676. I think sellers are gonna go extremely hard here on SPY. Yep, they're going. There's just no opportunity. There's just nothing there for me though, and like that's the biggest thing for me. FOMO. I don't care who you are. FOMO is hard for every trader. It's. I mean, if you could get appropriate risk, a stop in there, but like we were talking about in the beginning here, like you don't need perfection. And also, I'm not gonna get every trade, and honestly, I don't want every trade. I'm averaging like 2-3 trades a day tops. So like, I want the good stuff. Give me like, I don't need perfection though. You know what I'm saying? I just want the good stuff. I just want my process. That's it. That right there is starting to look a little pretty. Look at SPX looking all pretty. Look at Tesla coming up to open print here. What's she look like? Is that a bounce off the 2? Nah, it ain't. Come on. If sellers take over on Tesla, I swear to you, I am going to short the living heck out of it. Sellers come in here on Tesla, guys. Look at this move we got all the way down to EOD. On SPX too. But I'm just confirming with myself right now, okay? Confirming. This GBI is all the way up here. And I really need that 2-minute 20 to entertain it. Got some buying here off 68288. Tesla coming up to that 1 hour trend. Okay. 1 hour trend, super important. This level is important. All right, NASDAQ, speak to me. What's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ with some strong selling. Okay. Where's my 1 hour at? Coming in the previous day open print. We're just coming in very strong. Like that's a very large red candle right there. All right, let's just see what she gives us. Let's get this money. Trading is not like working, okay? You do not make money according to how many trades you take. You make money according to how quality or how good your trades are, right? Like it's not about, oh, I got to get in. Let's do it. Let's get it done, right? Like we need to restrain ourselves from searching for dopamine. I'm literally, for me to short this, guys, I need to see a retest here off the 2-minute 20. It is what it is. It is what it is. If I don't get that, there's no trade for me. And like I'm very clear about that with myself, so I don't fumble into anything and go, oh my God, I don't want to miss it. Let me get in, right? Like I just remain clear. I know what I'm looking for. I at least need a retest up here at 68390. I'm really watching Tesla. Let me see what Tesla contract's going for. I'll be right back. I got to take a leak. All right, let's go. Straight flow state, baby. Straight flow state. Let me see what SPX is telling me right here. What's the SPX telling me? 2 minute. Let's see. Getting a little bit of buying right there. Like, don't get me wrong. Everything in me wants to take this down to end of day, but I got to know. I got to see it. I got to see it. I'm just glad we got volume. Ooh, Tesla with the RBI, baby. Let's go. Let's go. That is a red bar that is ignored. I'm dropping to the 2 minute. Okay. I'm looking for a retest down yonder. Ooh, look at SPY. Look at SPY. Let me see here. We going to short this or what? Did it tag it? She tagged it. I got her tagging it. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Ain't no need to rush nothing here. I don't like my entry on that. Still a little far away. Was that about what? Oh, that ain't super far. Oh, yeah, it is. That's like 70, 80 cents. It's all right. Stay patient. Stay patient. Stay patient. We got what? A minute left on this 2 minute candle. We can get a better entry than that. Maybe. I like it, though. It retested it along with the area of value. At this point, I'm looking for sellers to maintain this for me to take a short play here. I like it. It looks pretty. She's looking pretty. Where's my 1 hour time frame at? Ooh, it's kind of far, ladies and gentlemen. It is kind of far there. Todd said 44875 Tesla would be a distance. Yeah, absolutely. Only reason I'm not in Tesla yet is I want a 2 minute 20 retest. That's it. All right, so look at that 2 minute there on SPY. And we close below that. I'm taking a stab here. I am in ES puts. Didn't get the best entry I wanted there, but we're going to give it a shot. We're going to give this a shot and see if we can get continued selling pressure here. That 1 hour is kind of far away, but we're going to give this a shot. Sometimes you just got to go for it. I really like the fact that we held below 683.90. If you can't get a good entry, hold off. We'll probably get another opportunity. I kind of just seen it and hopped in it. So let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. All right, I'm also watching Tesla here. So I got two contracts here on ES, and I got my stop. Fortunately, it's kind of far away, but it is what it is. Let's see. Yeah. We'll see if we can get a push down to the low. Let's see. It's a short. So I'm going to go limit buy. We'll put a limit buy right here. Let's see if this can hold. I don't like where the 1 hour time frame is, but we did tag that 2 minute 20. So that's the criteria. I'm sticking to it. And I tell you what, if we can, why am I getting blown up? So now, guys, also probably what I'm going to do on this short play here is bump my stop right. Do I want to do that? Yeah, we could do that. I'm just going to put it. Let's see. Yeah, unfortunately, I got to keep it outside the 2-minute 20. If I take an L, I take an L. It is what it is. Let's just see what we get. Look at Tesla with a strong push here. All right. Nice push. Very nice push. Very nice push. Bam. Look at that. Just happening quick. It's happening quick. It's happening quick. That's yeah, Chris, good call. That's another GBI. Another GBI right there. I just don't like how quick it's sold off kind of super quick, but you know what? You just got to let it do its thing. I'm watching Tesla. Let's see here on Tesla. Let's get a 2-minute 20 retest. What we got here on SPY? What do I want to do? All right, stop loss goes outside this GBI. I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm over it. Just let it do its thing. Sometimes we just micromanage and we just like do too much in our head. You got to let the market just do what the market's supposed to do. This looks bearish right now. Let's see if we can get some continuation to the downside here. I got my first take profit at the lows. Let's see if we can get that push, ladies and gentlemen. Look at Tesla. Come on, baby. Give me an opportunity on Tesla. And you know what the best part is? I don't care if it takes all day. I don't care if it takes all day. I'll wait all day for the opportunity. Like, I don't. Do I want to get in this? Of course I want to get in this. But I just don't like my risk. And like my boy Todd tells me, I approach the trade from the risk down. The first thing I'm looking at is risk. Guys, if we close right here below the 9D EMA, get ready for a lot of selling pressure. I'm watching the 5-minute here on SPY. I'm looking for us to close below that moving average. What do we got? We got about 15 seconds left on this candle. I don't like how quick it's trying to sell off here, but it is what it is. 2-minute 20 is my stop on this trade. I also, let's see. What do I like about this trade? Let's see. Well, we're in an area of value. We got a 2-minute 20 retest up here. You know what I'm going to do, though? All right, we're selling off here. I just got rid of that. Let's see here if we can continue. Very nice push, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice push. That's why you always trust the strategy right here. Boom. Give me the money. Sell. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty. All right, so we're selling. We got consistent selling pressure here. I'm debating if I want to take one off the top just to manage this level right here. Nah, you know what? We're just going to let it do its thing. It's not a bad that's not a bad, like if you're trading multiple contracts, that's not a bad one to get out. I just don't like how far away the 1-hour trend is. 1-hour trend down. It's just selling off kind of too quickly. We got something down there too. We weren't able to close below this moving average either. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm in a short. I got 2 cons. I'm going to wait to see how this candle closes. Watching Tesla still. Watching Tesla. Watching Tesla for that 2-minute 20 retest. Damn. Oh, yeah. I'm going to take. So, guys, I'm in a short right now on ES. I'm going to trim one. Okay. So, I just lowered my size on that position because I don't like this gap on the 1 hour. Okay. So, I trimmed one. So, now I'm only managing one, and I could always re-enter. This is because it's a very high probable scenario that we retest the 2-minute 20 right now. Okay. So why hold the whole position to it, right? Now I got one contract. I'm managing less risk, and if I get another retest up here and sellers hold it, I will re-enter. At the end of the day, we aren't traders. We're money managers. Okay, so we gotta be able to do that, right? We gotta be able to be like, hey, you know what? Oh God, we got to be like, okay, do it. My bad. I just got a text that's throwing me off. Hold up. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see if sellers can hold that. Tesla is pushing really strong here. So it looks like sellers are still holding. And once again, the AOV, guys, look at holding. And every time, Chris, I like that you pointed that out. Every time I get another GBI, I just draw my box. That's it. I draw my box. Look at this. Look at that. Keeping it nice and easy today, guys. Tesla's cooking. Didn't give me the entry I was looking for, but that's completely okay because now look at what's my next best move. Look at the red bar ignored, okay? Now I'm watching for another 2-minute 20 retest. Oh, and guys, anybody that wants to join our team, click that link below, okay? We have a phenomenal program right now. 150, 4 sessions, me and you get a year membership on our Discord to take advantage of trades like this each and every single day. Okay. Click the link below. It's called the Process in Profits Academy. All right. Look at that. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Good. Very nice. Very nice. And once again, right? Like, let's bring it back to the RBI and GBI. Like, what do we do to get in this trade? We identified this level right here. Okay, green bar ignored. So what do? We dropped down to the 2-minute time frame, and then we played the retest. Played the retest, baby. That's it. That's it. Like, I don't know. If it ain't Todd, what do we say? If it ain't simple, I ain't doing it. It's got to be simple. It's got to be. Good job, guys. Really good job. So now what we're going to do here is put a break-even stop. All right. Let me not be a retard here and actually go, okay, where do I want to get out of this? I'm going to let it run. I'm feeling trendy today. All right. So now that that's good, let's keep our eye on Tesla because I don't want to miss out on any more opportunity here on Tesla. Damn it. Ugh. Look at that push on Tesla. I don't like that much on SPY either. Yeah, don't get in it now, Chris. If you didn't get that entry, don't get in it now. Wait for the next 2-minute 20. Retest. Just wait. Well, actually, you know what we're doing? Right now, we are retesting this level. And buyers are showing up strong. I'm watching in 2-minute 20 to add on this position here. Look at Tesla. I missed that. It's okay. That's okay. I don't care if I miss shit. We just get another opportunity. All right. What are we at? What are we doing here on the 2-minute? Let's see. All right. So we're coming into a key level right here. But we haven't really been able to close below 68288. So I am out of my short play. I just booked it. Just so y'all can see, I'm out of the short play. And I want to see what happens up here at the 2-minute 20. This is our next potential area. Damn. Tesla is ripping face. Good. So it makes sense for us to see previous day high on Tesla. And maybe even above. But do you guys see how we use the RBI and the GBI to tell us who's in control? Like right now, sellers are still in control. I am not going to just assume buyers are going to take this, right? Sellers are still in control. And they will remain in control until they lose the 2-minute 20 and or the RBI and GBI. Okay, look at SPX here. SPX with the strong bounce off the 50. But we are retesting our GBI. Interesting. Interesting. That might be the bear trap here on SPY. That's giving me bear trap vibes. I don't know what y'all think. I think it's giving me bear trap vibes, but let's see. Yeah, and primarily, it's look where the 1 hour trend is. 1 hour trend's all the way up here, but we're still coming into the GBI. Okay, I'm looking. I will take another short play if the criteria presents itself. Let's see. That trend still looks good. Tesla's not giving me an entry, and that's okay. That's completely fine. Here goes SPY. All right. I'll be right back. A stretch. Trade number 1, done. All right. Trade number 1. Done. It's respecting that GBI right there. That's honestly not a terrible short play, but it's too far from that 20 for me. So now is when we're just we're chilling. Let's see what NASDAQ's giving us. Patience, young grasshopper. Oh, wait. Come on, Nazzy. Come on, Nazzy. Where's the 2-minute at? Oh, NASDAQ's looking like a phenomenal short play, guys. I'm looking to trade NQ here in a minute. I mean, NQ and SPY are pretty much giving the same thing. I just feel like being I'm just looking at NQ here. I'm watching it. I'm watching the 2-minute 20 here. I like that we're inside that GBI. I like where the 1-hour trend is at. Real quick here. Let's see. That's dirty. That's dirty. It's okay. Might not get it. And you know what? That's completely fine. If I don't get it, I don't care. It is what it is. Yeah, just stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Stay patient. If it don't come, it don't come. Oh man, Tesla is just brewing for me. Come on, baby. Watch Tesla. I'm gonna manifest this right now, guys. Watch Tesla rally all day. Watch it. Tesla's gonna end up rallying today. 1-hour trend looks pretty good. We're above that key level. I just need a better entry. I'm not worried about it. I don't care if I miss the morning setup. I don't care about none of that. But basically, guys, this GBI on SPY and NASDAQ is being held very well. It's getting held really good. There it goes. Damn it. Okay. All good. I'd rather be blue balled. I'm taking this straight from Darren. I'd rather get blue balled than break my process. All right, Tesla. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, Tessie. Come on, Tessie. Yeah, that's a tough one there on NASDAQ, but I'm not taking it. Nope. Not taking it. I'm still watching ES too, guys. I got ES right down here, right? So I'm still watching ES as well. Watching the 2-minute 20 retest. All I gotta do is swap back and forth here. Oh, there we go. See? That's why you stay patient. That's why you stay patient. It's always worth it. I don't even matter. Oh, look at this. Look at this bear flag, baby. You know what I love about this right here, too? We're going to know very clearly who's in control. I got them both. I'm watching them both. Come on. Doesn't need to be perfect. We're coming up into the RBI and the GBI on the 5-minute. Retesting. Let me see here. Let me pull up SPY. With SPY here. This is a strong buying candle, though. Very strong. Tesla, come on, man. You ain't going to give me nothing yet. You ain't going to give me nothing. Oh, my God. Come on. Yeah, Tesla ain't going to give me shit. It's all right. Stay patient. Stay patient, baby. Stay patient. All right, coming up to that 2 minute. Let's see how this candle closes here. It's at that AOV. I really don't like where that 1 hour trend's at all. At all. But the 2 minute 20 should tell me here who's going to take it. And it's buyers. And it's sellers. Yeah, it's looking. Oh. If it can't close outside the 20, trade with the 20. If it can't close, I'm in it short. I'm keeping a really tight stop here. I'm going to put my stop out right there. Let's see what we get. It's a touchy one. It was a little impulsive. But you know what? You just got to go for it sometimes. You just got to go for it. I really don't like where that 1 hour trend is. And I don't like the fact that I can't keep my stop outside that guy. But we're doing a very tight. Look where my stop is, guys. This is tight. Very tight. I'm going to keep it right above this candle, the 1002 candle. It's really, really tight. Really tight. Might hit me. It's okay. Don't care. Ain't nothing special. If you can't close outside that 20, I trade it. Oof. Oh, come on, baby. Be good to me, baby. Drop that. Guys, drop that stop down. You ain't got to risk a lot here. Come on, baby. All right, we're looking for take profit. Probably right there at the lows. Okay, we'll sell one there. Let's see. It's a touchy one. It's just I don't like where that 1 hour trend is. Don't. Keep it. I'm gonna keep my stop right there. It's trying. What's Tesla doing? Sellers did try right there, guys. Actually, you know what, guys? I'm not playing no games. I'm leaving a very tight stop on that. Literally right above the 1016 candle. A little bit. Like a couple ticks here. I don't want to risk a lot on this trade. It's not worth it. If it holds the 20, oh, look. Come on, baby. SPX is dealing with a pretty important level right here. Come on, baby. Oh, move to take profit. We're getting selling here. Once again, guys. Join our team. This is the stuff that you master. Okay? You master moving averages over here. Master them. Come on, let's get a push. How far are we going? Oh, how far are we going? Look at that, baby. Come on, love. Links below to join the team. Level up this year. Okay, we are going to sell one. All right, took profit on one. Let's let the rest go. Come on. What's the 5 minute? Oh, that's a GBI. Ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Gotta trust it. Can't close outside the 20. What do? Trade with the 20. Can't close outside the 20. You trade with the 20. Love this game, man. Come on. We sinking. Where's my boy Todd at? You got that, Mike? Look at that. Look at my boys, man. Got in on the exact same entry. You knew it'd be worth it. And you know what? It was. I'm taking that. I'm done with that one. Take your profit. Great trade. You know what, guys? You got to just trust the process. Trust the process. Coming back up to the RBI and the GBI. I got to watch Tesla. It's all right, Kaio. It's okay. It's okay. I'm watching Tesla. You know what? That one took a lot of trust, guys. A lot. But what did we do? A retest of the 20 in an area of value. I got to take it. I got to take it. If you guys didn't get in it, it's okay. But remind yourself why you should have. That's what's important, right? Like, okay, I didn't take it. Maybe I felt, X, Y, Z. But you got to reflect and be like, okay, but what am I going to do differently next time? Come on, Tesla. That's a great trade. What is it? 10.23. We're 2 trades in. Tesla's just ripping. I should have just hopped in Tesla and just let her go. Look at this. Great trade, Mike Lynch. I'm proud of you, bro. I'm proud of you right now. That trade was not, it was very, what's the word? Uncomfortable. It was very uncomfortable, but the on-demand's paying off, bro. I'm proud of you on that one. Okay, let's see here. That was the bear trap. You know how I know that was the bear trap? Look at SPX. Anytime SPX starts playing with its 50 EMA on the 5-minute, funny things start to happen, okay? Funny things start to happen there on SPX. Look at Tesla. Look at Tesla. Got 2 RBIs here. I'm staying patient. 1 hour trends down here. I'm going to go do some pull-ups, guys. We are 2 trades in. What are we up here on the top step? 15. We're up 15. Trying to pass this account. Looks like we just passed it. That 5-day 150 rule is a bitch. Ooh, guys, hold on. We might have another entry here. Watch the 2-minute 20. 2-minute 20. I do not care. Do I want to take this? Let me see. Hold on. Hold up. Come on, bro. Why does this keep happening? Oh, that's why. It's right here. Damn. Can I open it? Oh, there we go. Holy smoke. All right. Let me see what SPY is telling me here. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to hold off on shorts here on SPY. At this point, guys, it's wait for the 1 hour to catch up. Okay, so we're in stagnant mode. It's wait for the 1 hour trend to catch up. This is usually when I go to the gym and stuff because I know there's really no reason to trade, right? Like we've had the morning move. We're extended from the 1 hour trend. I'm not necessarily going too long, but at the same time, I got to remain patient here because the 1 hour trend is pretty far away. Will you explain which EMAs you have on the chart? Yeah, absolutely. So I have and I'll start here in like my most valuable. So this blue line right here, this is the 9 double exponential moving average, right? DEMA. It's really tight. It hugs price. This is what I use to identify healthy trends, right? Like Tesla is a very healthy trend right now. This thing's probably going to continue to rip. Number 2 is the EMA cloud, right? That green line right there is the 5 EMA. And then the yellow, good old yellow right there is the 20. The 20 EMA is a game changer for me because it's what I use to actually enter into the position, right? It's very important. I don't know if you were here for our last trade, but we literally entered short right there, because we could not close outside the 20. So we traded with the 20. Then I have the 50, which is EMA, which is that orange line. And then you're going to see my masterpiece, which is this guy, okay? This blue stepping ladder thingy, okay? This is the 1 hour 9 DEMA, okay? DEMA. This is very important. It's, this line right here represents what the 1 hour trend is, okay? 1 hour trend is just basically the 9 on the 1 hour, which is why I'm not going short right here, because we got that pocket between price and the 9. So those are my EMAs, my friend. Yeah, Todd, Tesla's going up to 460 today. Tesla's most likely, according to the daily time frame here, Tesla's most likely going to revisit 460. SPY might give us another short, but I don't like the extension here. It's too far, so I'm not gonna participate. It's not a bad trade. It's just I don't like the bearish structure here on this trade. It's just not that. It's probably going to continue. All right, guys, I'm hopping off. I love you, man. This was a great session. I got to get off, though. My daughter's getting out of school early today for Halloween. Check out the links below. We have a phenomenal Discord group. And currently right now, I'm offering a package for people that are ready to master this strategy, right? 1 payment, 1 year access on my team, 4 sessions with me breaking it down. All you veteran HPT members, I love seeing you kill it in the comments today. Seriously, a lot of those trades were not easy. But all in all, guys, just execution. When it feels uncomfortable, it doesn't matter. I ask myself, if price can't close outside that 20, sometimes it's just best to trade with it, right? So right now, another reason why I'm hopping off is I know I'm not going to get anything I like to trade until that 1 hour time frame catches up and Tesla's just ripping. So I'm going to remove myself from the situation because I don't want to FOMO or rush into anything, okay? I want to wait for better price action before I participate. I love y'all. I appreciate you guys. And for everybody that's on our premium membership, I'm going to be updating in the Discord as I spot more trades, okay? I love you. Have a great Halloween. Don't do anything crazy. God is good. I'll see you guys in the webinar tomorrow.